On August 19, 2019, around 4:19 p.m., LAPD uniformed patrol officers assigned to Mission Division received and responded to a family dispute radio call.
Hi, how you doing? Did you call us?
Let me lower. Yes. What's going on?
Did you call the police?
No.
Who?
The alarm did it. The alarm did.
Is you, who lives here?
I.
Who else?
My parents.
Your parents?
Where are your parents from?
Working.
You're working?
Carlos Torres is his name. Carlos Torres is my name. That alarm caused. I thought I heard beeping. I thought it was the damn speaker. I got next to the damn thing and I said, no, it's this. I pushed this on. I've been in the house for 2 minutes. But I was actually expecting a call from my dad then, because if it went off and he called you guys, he'll be actually calling me.
Has he,
This has gone on the
what, the alarm?
It has gone off.
So what time does your dad get home?
He gets out about 1:30.
About 1:30?
But then he does his things and all.
And your mom?
She's at my sister's house at the moment because she's sick.
She's sick.
I understand it could be easy because, like I said, it has happened.
Okay.
But it's the alarm.
Has your dad talked to you at all, or called you at all today?
Like I said, if this happened, I would expect that. No, we had to. This alarm didn't go off?
No, alarm didn't go off.
No, they were saying that they were knocking, I guess the door was locked.
Yeah, so maybe you're...
to make sure that there was no one inside, of course, it's here. So that's what we're here.
With all due respect, could you call my dad so I can ask him? I mean, we're on speaker.
They're going to call him right now. Just give us a phone.
Oh, okay.
That's what we're here.
Yeah, that's different than no, that's not.
Hi, you live here?
Yes,
Oh, is your son?
yes.
What's going on today?
We can't seem to get in our house
Why?
because he's threatening us, tell us this and that.
So he's like yelling at you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So so how long have you been home?
We haven't been here for 2 weeks because my wife got operated.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And we could just yell at and abused and everything, threatened. And he's carrying a gun. I don't know if he has it with him or not. I'm sure he does. If not, I can tell you roughly where it's at. If not, I'd like to have you guys searching for it. Because I don't want to come in back in the house with him.
How do you get it?
I don't know how he got it.
Has he ever used it against you?
He has showed it to us.
He just showed it to you?
Well, pointed it at us a couple times.
Okay. Does he pay rent here?
No.
No? Does he have his own room or anything like that?
He has a room, yes.
Are you able to go into his room whenever you want?
No,
Does he have like a
has-
lock?
Yes.
Okay, so it's locked. Is that where the
Yes.
gun is?
I don't know, like I said, I don't know if he has it with him or he has it in the room.
Got it. Normally does he have it on him?
Yes.
Where?
I can see he cleaned up the yard. There were 3 TVs outside, right here in the yard.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if he was tipped off or what, and he cleaned it off because they were outside.
Okay. But when he said he carries a firearm on him or
Yes,
where?
on him all the time. Usually in his stomach.
Oh, okay. Okay. So what
Tell me.
what would you want us to do for you?
Huh?
What do you want us to do for you?
I would like to have him have a permanent restraining order.
Okay. All right.
Because, like I said, we've been doing for 2 weeks. Every time we come, we get yelled at, we get him mistreated. He shows us a gun, and that's it. We can't take it anymore. My wife she had a heart operation. That had to do with all this. And we've been living with my daughter for the same reason.
Got it. Has he ever been arrested before?
Yes. He
For what?
spent 15 years in prison for attempted murder.
Oh, okay. Okay.
He's right here in front of you guys. You could get in your house.
Yeah. Can you come down here, please?
They yelled at, screamed at, threatened.
Carlos.
Apparently he said that he has a firearm.
No. Carlos.
Gentlemen, come to me.
Wait, Carlos.
Hey, gentlemen, please. I want to talk to
You want to talk?
I'm not gonna go in there with you.
Okay, can we? Carlos.
You have permission to go in the house if you wish to go in the house.
Okay, if you want.
Come in, gentlemen, come in.
Shots fired, officers, help. Shots fired, officers, help.
Go back. Hands back.
1985, shots fired, off needs help.
Partner, he might be on the roof, partner.
Huh?
He might be on the roof.
Alright.
Go, check over there.
Right here. Can you come down there,
in my
please?
house, they yelled at, screamed at, threatened.
Carlos.
Don't threaten nobody.
Apparently he said that he has a
No. Carlos.
Gentlemen, come to me.
Wait, Carlos.
Gentlemen, please. I want to talk to
You want to talk?
I'm not gonna go in there with you.
Okay, can we? Carlos.
You have permission to go in the house if you wish to go in the house.
Okay, if you want me, gentlemen, come in.
Go back. ¡Ay, para allá! ¡Bríquese para acá! ¡Táblese! ¡Bríquese! Hey, partner, he might be on the roof, partner. He might be on the roof. Go, check over there. Back off, he's gonna be over there, partner. Suspect is running. Be advised, suspect is running. Suspect is... Hey, which way is that way, partner? Suspect is running to our leader on Ottoman. Be advised, he's armed. He's armed with the gun, handgun. Alright, get behind, cover her here. You good, Park? Yeah. Alright. Okay. Be advised, suspect is wearing a black sweater. Wearing all black, wearing all black. But baller. He's gonna be baller.
There's a male Hispanic with a shotgun in the alley.
How's it going?
Search of Bradford or Arlington.
Put the brake, put the brake. He has a gun. Hey, go inside, go inside. Go inside. Do not reach for the gun. Don't reach for it. Don't reach for it. Back up, let's get some cover. Green, you got it, you got him? Right. Is there only one side? You got heads going into the house. Keep eyes on the right. Hey, don't reach for the gun. Hey. All right. One person top. Torres Jr. top. Everybody else hold. Leave the gun where it's at and go ahead and get him in custody. On you guys. Ready? Ready.
Leave the gun there, I guess.
Alright, arrest team up.
Coming through. Might flip him that way. Get his hand. Check his waistband. Once we hook him up.
I'll step over the shield. Yeah, step over and just watch down range. Down the alley. Move up about 3 steps.
Check his waistband. Okay. Alright.
Okay, behind you, he's in custody. Just stand by there.
I'm gonna put him on the side.
That's fine. We can bring the RA up. It's fine.
Thank you for watching Raw Police Bodycam's channel. Please consider subscribing if you want to help us out. Thanks.